The post is a big important. Today you are big Santana is a big important. Keep interviewing and keep making fun of them. Me I know not be say about, but you see what I make Santana do. It is any be we open your eye. Right now he post is a big important. You see the way it's fine. You see the way girls they beef. Way fine. Them say they this past week. They diss them about beef passes.
It be we be this. Go ask Samini.
Me and Samini the beef. You put make the boy they feel like I know they like him. I know they like him. You put no interview we wear. You can't they put quarrel. They won't give Samini award pass me. I know you see my holiday man then.
Bling bling.
These are diamonds. These are fucking diamonds. Right now my fingers saw the finger.
Bling bling.
Nothing be fake. No. Those days I didn't wear some chairs. Can they change that time? Let me show you here. Me fear who side war. No, move it here. Nipa to me say nipa because nipa mbo nipa.
Thank you.
Udi keke na wa ma oba obia wa ma. Udi na wa obia. But to born man, to spoil man. Man no go fit do that. You know this one. People must stop that thing. I like the way you put it. Interview and no, you interview. You know, they talk about. You know, everybody way. Nice. The girls. You, sister, if you have go interview this trip, they talk for your video top say. If the cat food arrives, you go beat them. You see, I'm nice. You don't talk anything. But if you me, I go touch you. I go beat you. I go be sack all the. Then you put board, then you take him like Saturday. Move breast, I swear. Learn from Shatawale.
Exactly.
Even me, I can't teach Ghana beef.
Yes.
Even me, I can't teach you poor beef.
You are the wave in the industry.
I am the way, the truth,
like
and the life.
Yes.
No one goes to the Father by not passing through me.
Listen, Ghana music industry.
Thank you.
Now where any see waves.
Thank you.
If you spin that thing, why are you there?
Thank you.
Don't forget.
Thank you.
We engineer that thing long time.
They don't know. You understand me?
We got the keys.
No, but we will get a keys.
More keys they will go.
That's people are going to do more doors.
Plenty.
We get plenty spare keys. Me, I get master keys. Master key. No be your doorway go do way man no go through. You understand? So somebody I say they for pay me. The Ghana music they owe me. And they go pay me, I swear. That's why me, somebody call me for show for Ghana and they charge them. Those days, they think they know me. My guy, you know it's you.
No.
You know it's the thing is very painful. I get what I'm saying. The people they beef, the people they do promo, they enjoy them. Women they beef, they this. And the women say they because they beef themselves. And people they interview them.
Let me tell them, they do no commot gun like Stoneball.
No.
Commot weed.
No, but since the I say go beat with their hands.
They be like go commot. Go commot to weed.
You know,
all the women them are here and them are here to the way.
I win.
Kakalika they them are here.
Yeah.
When you know say you get kakalika here, don't be. Just shoot yourself.
I swear. People for just understand one thing. If Ghana music and accept say Shatawale can open plenty people them are high. We all go on way. But see they don't be accept. And we go see like Shatta there or Nasem or some life and or yeah basa. Move bread. Because I never know say beef go can't jump people like this for Ghana. See medical and strong mind beef. All of you hold the beef like you support one side, you support one side. We all understand it is good. Ghana, if somebody get money there, it pay plenty people where they don't get up. Then they won't make it for. We understand. That one there we get up. People as medical they do or they say strong man beat medical beat strong. We understand. You understand? Because strong man right now they come up. Medical this street. That's what I mean. They do business with street. Where is the money? That's what I mean. So you know me say they come show somebody say he get money pass or something. Yeah, you understand me? So you know be anything. By no and the girls them you put it. If you right now they enjoy. It be so like for me we enjoy with wanna beef. You enjoy. Right now you make Stonebwoy make you know the beef. You know the beef. Family make you know the beef.
Charlie, I beg. How many people are they accept the top one. Why you know this? Accept the call, I know the people.
Sakore yourself.
Or you don't see the call.
You know see the
call.
I talk to him, he say, I said, I want to collaboration. So I said,
one bring Asem.
Asem
won't bring matter to him. Asem the show the Asem bring.
But I see, Asem the rap. Make Ghana, make you know they do those things. You understand it? Asem the rap. You do a move for understand some things. Sakore to the rap. So if they do the thing, make it make nice. Then when you want to see the thing go one side, like Asem, he hustle, he do this, don't do that. You understand me? Don't do that.
For the YouTube, you go flash the guy. When I call you, you know the thing. Why flash him?
You go flash Asem.
You go flash Asem. When Asem call him, I know the thing.
I got it. Sakore, you did it because buy me one shirt from America. You know, won't buy me the shirt. You say leave one CD for Angel. Angel, if you don't say get my one CD, bring down. You understand me?
Go take for you today.
Go take for me today. You say for go take. The way you put it, do that thing. I got my niggas in the house. Yo, CTM in the house. Yo, wagwan. Yo, I got CTM in the house. Hey, Kona. Hey, what's up? Mad. That's not a dog for you, man, nigga. Wagwan. I got my nigga ZTM in the house. Bad man. I think Instagram like. Yeah, I got my nigga in the house, man.
Yeah.
You see?
Chris,
money makers. That's my prince.
Yeah,
you know. That's ZTM for you. Y'all go check him out, man. Check him out on YouTube. ZTM. That's his road manager over there. Me foot is there. Wait. No, we are still thinking for crowd. See, do. Yeah, you know.
I don't get so much.
Oh, I don't get so much. And he's single, you know, all of them are single though, like he's single. Yeah, so you want him just, you know, try and link him up, you know.
He's single with a dick.
Yeah, he's single with a dick. No, not a dimple right now, a dinkle. Dinkle. He's single with a dickle.
Yes.
No, it's just, the thing is just flowing like this.
Ready to chuckle.
And ready to chuckle. And muckle.
Yes.
I have to watch us online or what?
Yeah. Why the watch us online? I have money. Already Instagram live, you know. I'm just starting to feel. You know,
which Arab is that? Arab.
Yeah. Yeah, son. Yo, I'm about to go shoot a video right now. I'm gonna come back, you know. But don't worry, you know. This is how I talk everything, man, nigga. Like, you know, I just came back from the United States. I think United States straight from America. You understand? So I want to shoot some video and just come back to y'all. And, you know, we gonna have some conversation, like, you know. You gonna lose some few things, you know. Yeah. So stick and stay. I'm gonna be back and do some few things for you, you know, like, you know. Yeah, me patch and say, me contribute this, and you are never back. The English is too hard for me. I can't English. I'm tired. If you want me to speak English, I got this in America calling you, speak out for you. I love you people. Bye-bye. My bundle is finished. I cannot see my bundle. They are giving me a lot. Say my bundle finished. Yes. If I did Nigeria, they're not going to give me a lot.
No.
Why? Ghana music. Why? You don't have anything to lie. Yeah, I love you, niggas, man. I'm gonna be back, man. Love you.